We are trying to find airline A's degree of competition relative to the other airlines. All right, so F equals the number of daily flights A has to LA. Well, that would be 4. So F equals 4. N is the number of other airlines. Well, B, C, and D. Then that would be N equals 3. And T, other airlines combine daily flights from X to LA. So sum up these numbers, and that gives you a 5. So T equals 5. So I've got my formula written up here. So C equals T, which is 5 over F, which is 4, plus N, which is 3, over 4. And you've got the same common denominator, so keep it. 5 plus 3 is 8. C equals 2.